Hello, today I'll be showing you how to fix my model number X1. It is hard braked, so I'll be showing you. It was hard braked after FRP. It is hard braked, does not turn on, so I'll show you how to fix it. Here I have the flashing file, as you see. There, now it's time to flash. You choose the ICE model, then you go where you saved your flash file. Here, as you see, it has loaded. Now here, as you see, now it is time to flash. You want to fix it, as you can see. It will take some time. Be patient. It is hard braked. This flashing will help you when it get breaks. Software loop, phone loop, hanging on log. It will be helpful. I wanted to show you. I will leave for you the downloading link where you can download, then you flash your phone. Please be patient. Remember to charge your battery, even if the phone is hard braked, so you need to charge your battery using universal charger, so your battery get charged at least 50%. Please back up your preloader before you flash. You might break your phone. As you see, wait for a few minutes. Please, if this tutorial is helpful, please leave comment, give a like, subscribe, share it. Let us see if the phone is fixed. Wait until the phone starts charging. As you can see, it started charging. Wow, it was hard braked, but now, sorry, I've just used a battery which had power, so let me put this, then let us power on. Let us power on and see if it comes on. Well, maybe the battery has less. Now, as you can see, it is now powered on. At first it was not even bringing this this log on screen. As you can see now, we are just on our way. Hold for a minute and say wait. I can hear it vibrating. Wow, so beautiful, so beautiful. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial is helpful to you, subscribe, give a like, share with friends, leave comment. Thanks for watching. See you again next video. Bye. Bye.